Today, we'll explore how to explore creative LUT masking techniques. Start by opening your image and adding a color lookup adjustment layer. Select any strong LUT preset so the effect is clearly visible. Now, click on the Layer Mask thumbnail next to the adjustment layer. Choose a soft, round brush, set opacity low, and paint with black over areas where you want to hide the LUT effect. Notice how the grading disappears selectively. This allows you to apply color creatively instead of globally. Try revealing the LUT only in shadows or background areas to create depth separation. Next, invert the mask using Ctrl or Command plus I and paint white to restore the effect exactly where you want it.